local day, not only for the college community, but for the broader Catholic community of the Maitland-Newcastle Diocese. St Bede's Catholic College is the first secondary school in the Maitland-Newcastle Diocese to open since 1984, when St Paul's at Booragul was opened.
So today will be remembered for many years to come, as it marks an occasion to acknowledge and celebrate the many organisations and individuals who have imagined, designed and laid the foundations to bring St Bede's Catholic College Chisholm to its form. Today is also the beginning of what will be an exciting and fulfilling 6-year journey of quality, contemporary Catholic education brought to the hearts and minds of the 109 students that are present here today.
Thank you for all that hard work. Thank you for the dreaming and planning that went into it. Now it's a reality. My commitment and the staff commitment from the Catholic Schools Office is to continue supporting you, to continue to guide you, particularly throughout this year, which is a very exciting year, and continue to do that for many years to come.